You are most welcome to another video training. Today we're going to solve this error. Your PHP installation appears to be missing the MySQL extension, which is required to press. How do we solve this error? It's very simple. In a minute we're going to solve this without problems. Go to your cPanel. So you need cPanel in order to solve this problem. So make sure you log into your cPanel. Once you are there, click on this search and then search for PHP. After that, click on this one, that's select PHP version. So you click on that and wait. Once the page is loaded successfully, on top, click on extensions. Scroll down, and these are your current PHP version extensions, right? So scroll down, and you see MySQL. Let me take you back to the error page, and as you can see, they are emphasizing on this extension, which is MySQL. So just click on it once, okay, and wait, and the module will be enabled. Once we enable that, go back to the error page and then reload your page, and everything will look good, just like this. So we are back to normal. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing to this YouTube channel because I release videos like this on a regular basis to show you how to solve your errors. I also help you build websites for yourself. Check my YouTube channel because I have a list of videos for you. Thank you, and I'll see you later.